Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting because I have an update on my Pan That Face palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I did over the last month, maybe a little bit more than a month because I haven't recorded in a while, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start off with the first shade, and my part isn't very middly. Ignore that, okay? Let's start off with the first shade, which is Gold Highlighter. As you will see in the pictures, I have definitely expanded the pan. However, I did not make the amount of progress that I wanted to. I was hoping that I would hit side pan here in the top left. However, that did not happen, and honestly I have noticed that it's kind of hard for me to dip my brush in to get product around it. So I think before the next update, what I'm going to do is I'm going to repress this little sucker in the middle and, you know, work my way from there. Let's talk about usage. So last month I had used this palette 16 times. That means overall I had used this palette to get this amount of pan 32 times over the course of this whole project. Now that's not a lot of usage for this amount of pan. So if I continue on doing what I do, especially now that I'm going to repress this this powder, I think I will be able to finish it off quite soon. I think I'm giving myself like 3 months. Do you think in 3 months I'll be able to finish it? I think so. I think in 3 months I'll be able to do it. Anyway, moving on to the middle shade. So the second shade that I am panning, this is a rose highlighter, but really I use it as a transition shade and I use it as a blush. Unfortunately, there is no pan. This one in particular is so tightly pressed that it is hard to see any progress, even though I am using it almost every time that I do my makeup. However, as you would have seen in the pictures, there is a dip going on in the middle, which I'm quite happy. Now these pans are shallow, so I think by the next update you will see pan in this sucker. Let's talk numbers. I had used this shade also 16 times over the last month, and that brings my overall usage to 29. Ooh, okay. No pan unfortunately, but I think I will be able to do that next month. Hopefully, I hope so, because, you know, motivation, come on, I need to see pan. And I you know, I can see the dip. I can see the dip happening, and because this is not a very thick pan, I think I will be able to do it. So yeah, fingers crossed. But you know, it's a very short update. I don't have much to say about it. I am just hoping that number one, once I repress the gold highlighter shade, that the usage of this particular shade will go faster. And then secondly, I'm hoping to hit pan next month or by the next update in the rose highlighter shade. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.